Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 30th of May 2014, we're going to be looking at the CFDs, and as always, our group that we're looking at is the gold, SPX 500, US 30, German 30, and the US oil. We'll be looking at the daily and also going from the monthly where necessary. And once again using the Elliott wave analysis. Okay, before we start, like always, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, so let's get to the charts. Okay, fine, so here we are on the gold, and what we can see, we're in a wave 3 of a primary degree. A primary degree is being in red in circles, and that's the larger wave degree cycle what we're in right now. We had taken two trades entered at 1267.84, and the stop level is 1340.30, and our first target has been hit. And when we break down the wave structure, we can take the primary as the larger wave degree and breaking it down to the intermediate, being in green in brackets, and the minor. Now the intermediate is in a wave 3. It's a wave 2 completed on the high of 14th of April 2014 at price level 1334.43. And that was our 50% Fibonacci level. And when we break down this, so we're basically in a wave 3 of the intermediate and a wave 3 of the primary. And when we break that down further, we're actually in a wave 3 of a minor degree, which is pink, and wave 1 completed on the low of 24th of April. We're taking that as the wave 1 completion, and wave 2 at the high of 5th of May 2014. We've checked these ratios, and these ratios are okay for us, so we know it's around 61.8% on the Fibonacci level. And therefore what we did, we took a break on the low of the wave 1 as a confirmer for us, and we went straight in for some nice tight tidy profit, and taking it at profit level 1252.82. So one trade of ours has kicked into a profit, and we're waiting for the further push down for the wave 3 completion at the extension of 161.8, and we put that level at 1215.24. So that's what we're looking for that particular move down. Okay, now let's move to the SPX 500 following the S&P 500. And basically, if I take it to the monthly, you can have a better feel of exactly where we're standing. Looking at it very broadly, we're in a wave 3 of the largest wave degree, which is the super cycle, being in blue in brackets, and the super cycle then is broken down into a cycle degree, which is black and in Roman numbers, and that's also in a wave 3. So as you can see, and then we move down to the intermediate. The intermediate currently is in a wave 5 position. You can see there is the wave 4 at that low, and therefore we're in a wave 5. We're now back on the daily chart. Now if we look at the subwaves are the intermediate being green in brackets, right? And that's in a wave 3. We break that down, minor wave, which is pink, in a wave 3, and its subwaves are the minute degree, being in blue, Roman numbers, and in circles. And we had put in the 3 entries, 3 entries entered at 1891.6, and subsequently all 3 profit targets have been hit. Target 1895, target 1903 and target 1914.6. So all our three targets have been met. We're going to now look for some potential trades for the further waves. Either we're going to sort of try to catch a little bit of the move or wait for a retracement. Probably going to wait for a retracement of this wave 3 extension, this wave 3, which is the minute degree, to come down to hit its wave 4, and that'll be on a pullback to take it up to complete its wave 5, and therefore completing the minor degree. And therefore also then after that we'll look for a pullback. If this wave 3 is completed, look for a pullback for its wave 4, and then to take out the wave 5. And then afterwards, of course, our traders will be looking for some strong moves down for the wave 5 of the intermediate for a wave down. So that, of course, will be broken down into 5 waves, but we'll be looking to take all those 5 waves out in one shot and move subsequently into other trades. So that's what we're looking for, the SPX 500. That's right. So I have put a target level for the minor wave at 161.8, but let's try to hit that 100% level, and that would keep everything in play. Okay, now moving to the US oil. That's following the instrument. These are CFDs, by the way, traders, and US oil is following WT. That's Texas Instruments oil, and currently now, if I take it from the monthly, you can have a better understanding where we're standing. You can see the wave counting started way back in December 1998. That's where we're taking our 0.0 from. And if we look at the larger wave degree, which is a super cycle, went to the high of July 2008 for its wave 1, being blue in brackets, so Roman numbers. Wave 2 came down, hit the 78.6 level, and that's its wave 2 completion on the low of November 2008, and we're in a wave 3. Its subwaves are the degree, cycle degree, which are black in brackets, and also in a wave 3. Taking it down to the weekly, and as you can see, wave 1 completed at the high of May 2011. Wave 2 came down, hit the 50% level on 25th of September 2011, and also we're in a wave 3 there. And then let me knock it down to the daily chart so you can have a better look. And if we bring it down to the daily chart, you can see now the last thing that we were looking at. We were looking at that's it. We were looking at the cycle degree, and the subwaves of the cycle degree are the primary. So there's the wave 2, which completed on 27th of June 2014, close to the 100% level. Please note our lines. These are various specific lines, SNR, which we're using, and they're helping determine where are we in specific parts of the Elliott wave count. So we're in a wave 3 of the primary degree. That's red in brackets, and when we break down its structure, we can see the intermediate 1, 2, and we're also in a wave 3. Breaking that down further, the minor wave, which is also pink, is also in a 1, and 2 should be completed. 2 is completed. 2 is there, straight in front of my eyes, is the wave 2. So we're also in a wave 3. So what we're looking for, we'll break that down further into minute degree, and there's 1, and there's 2, and also we're looking to be in a wave 3 right now. So we put an entry, 3 entries at 101.22, right, and stop level at 96.34. First profit target is going to be 105.01. Second target 106.41, and third target 111.22. And that's the levels what we're looking at, traders, and we're hoping that we can and get all these covered ASAP. That's true, traders. Let me make that a little bit larger for you so you can actually follow exactly the stop target levels. And currently, right now, our trades are in profit, all in 100, 183, 189, 190 points. It's about 11, 12 pips accordingly, or points accordingly. Well, we're looking for this push up to validate it. Of course, the wave one will take out the high of the wave one will take out our first profit target, which will be about 78.6% on the Fibonacci. Second is the 100%, and the third is an extension of 161.8. Okay, so let's move to the US 30, which is following the Dow Jones. That's the industrial Dow Jones 30, and currently now we're in a wave 5 position of the primary degree, and basically we're looking to close this trade out, and we're going to ride the wave 5 as best as possible, taking chunks out accordingly. We're going to come out we put an entry at 16600, stop level at 15978. First target and the only target is the 17305, which is an extension of the wave 3 of the minor degree. Breaking down the structures, so we have the primary in red in brackets, and that's in a wave 5. Breaking it down, we have the intermediate, which is in a wave 3, right? And its subwaves are the minor waves, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we're riding that wave 3 up. We need the certain levels to be taken out, of course, and that's going to be our targets. Of course, when we're hit the wave 3, we'll be looking for a wave 4 to complete the wave 5 up of the larger wave degree, which is the intermediate, and then we're looking for completion of the wave 5 for the primary. So we're going to buy on the dips and take our trades out. Okay, let's now move to the German 30. That's following, this is a CFD, of course, following the German index. And as you can see straight away, the larger wave degree cycles are here, degrees are here, which is the cycle degree being black and in Roman numbers, and that's in a wave 5. So we have to be very careful on this, traders, because after wave 5 will be an A wave move down against our current prevailing trend. So the subwaves of the cycle degree are the intermediate being in green, being in red, and in circles is in a wave 3. Wave 1 completed at the high here of the 3rd of April. We're taking its wave 2 completed at the Fibonacci level of 78.6 on the low of 14th of April 2014, and therefore in a wave 3. Breaking the structure down, intermediate being in green in brackets 1, 2, and currently in a wave 3, and the the minor degree is being in pink, and that's currently in a wave 3. We've got only one trade in right now. We had recommended various other levels to take out, which was 9936. It has hit its target, so the 100% level has been hit. We need to now to see the stronger push up for the extension, taking out the wave 3. Profit target, we've hit it at 10278. Currently our stop level is 8984. And once again, once the wave 3 of the extension has been taken out, we're going to wait for the wave 4 to complete on a retracement at 38.6 level, and then ride that wave up to complete the larger wave degree. Okay, so that's me. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Please do follow the actual post which we'll be going through. That also will have all the necessary charts of all these 5 instruments on the daily chart put there for your easy viewing. Thank you again, and I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.